What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into what might be the most important, most exciting laptop release of 2026. If you have been holding out on upgrading your computer, waiting for the perfect blend of raw performance, future-proof AI capabilities, and beautiful design, your patience has officially paid off. Right here next to me is the brand new, highly anticipated Apple 2026 15-inch MacBook Air, powered by the next-generation M5 chip. This isn't just any standard configuration either. Today, we are looking at the maxed-out, future-proof variant, boasting 24 gigabytes of unified memory, a massive 1 terabyte solid-state drive, ultra-fast Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, and it is all wrapped up in the absolutely stunning midnight colorway. To top it all off, this specific version comes bundled with 3 full years of AppleCare Plus protection straight out of the box. Apple is heavily marketing this new machine under a very specific tagline, built for AI. But as we all know, marketing titles can sometimes be a bit dramatic. So in this video, we are going to tear down the hype and look at the real-world performance. We'll talk about what the M5 chip actually feels like, how the 15.3-inch display holds up for long work sessions, and whether this model is worth your hard-earned money. If you're interested in checking out the latest pricing, looking at user reviews, or picking one up for yourself on Amazon, I have placed the direct affiliate links right down in the description box below so you can find them easily. Let us kick things off by talking about the true superstar of this machine, the brand new Apple M5 processor. Over the last few years, Apple Silicon has completely transformed the computer industry, setting impossible standards for performance per watt. But with the introduction of the M5 chip here in 2026, Apple has shifted its focus to a brand new frontier, and that is local artificial intelligence, collectively known as Apple Intelligence. This laptop is fundamentally engineered to run heavy, complex machine learning algorithms locally on the hardware rather than constantly relying on cloud servers. What this means for you in daily life is unmatched speed, absolute data privacy, and instant responses. Whether you're using AI to automatically edit videos, generate complex programming code, summarize massive documents, or touch up high-resolution photographs, the upgraded neural engine inside the M5 chip handles it without lagging, stuttering, or breaking a sweat. But a powerful processor is completely useless if it runs out of breathing room, and that's why the memory configuration on this specific model is a massive deal. This unit is equipped with 24 gigabytes of unified memory. For the longest time, many people argued that 8 or 16 gigabytes was enough for a lightweight laptop. But here in 2026, as software becomes heavier and AI features become integrated into every app we use, 24 gigabytes is the definitive sweet spot for longevity. Because Apple uses a unified memory architecture, this memory is shared seamlessly between the central processing unit and the graphics processing unit. You can have dozens of web browser tabs open, jump into a heavy multitasking session, stream music, and render a project simultaneously without ever seeing a spinning beach ball. Pair that with a generous 1 terabyte solid-state drive, and you've got ample space for large video files, music libraries, and heavy software suites, all operating at lightning-fast read and write speeds. Moving on from the internal specifications, let us talk about the gorgeous physical design in the hardware footprint. This is the 15.3-inch model, and frankly, I firmly believe this is the Goldilocks size for the vast majority of people. For years, users had to choose between the ultra-portable 13-inch Air or step all the way up to the heavy, expensive MacBook Pro line just to get a larger screen. The 15-inch MacBook Air bridges that gap flawlessly. It gives you that expansive, immersive screen real estate you need to stay productive, yet it retains the incredibly thin, miraculously lightweight chassis that made the MacBook Air an icon in the first place. You can slide this into a standard backpack or a sleeve effortlessly, and you will barely notice the weight during a long commute or a walk across a college campus. And we have to give a special shout out to this midnight finish. It looks incredibly sleek, stealthy, and premium. Apple has also refined the anodization process over the generations to ensure it resists fingerprints much better than before, keeping your machine looking clean and professional throughout the day. When you open the lid, you are greeted by a breathtaking liquid Retina display that supports over 1 billion colors. The viewing experience here is nothing short of spectacular. The colors are incredibly vibrant, the contrast ratios are deep, and the text scaling is perfectly sharp, making it an absolute joy for eyes that have to look at a screen for 8 to 10 hours a day. Whether you are precisely color grading a creative project, designing a presentation, or just kicking back to watch your favorite high-definition movies, this panel delivers an elite experience. Thanks to the extra screen real estate provided by the 15-inch design, multitasking feels natural. You can easily run 2 apps side by side without feeling cramped, which instantly boosts your overall productivity. But a modern laptop needs to be more than just a fast processor and a pretty screen. It needs to be an excellent communication tool. This is an area where Apple paid serious attention for the 2026 refresh by implementing a brand new 12-megapixel center stage camera. If your daily routine involves hopping on video calls, remote business meetings, or online classes, this upgrade alone is going to make a massive difference. The center stage technology intelligently tracks your movement, automatically panning and zooming to keep you perfectly framed in the center of the video, even if you lean back or move around your desk. Combined with a studio-quality 3-microphone array that isolates your voice from background noise, you will always look and sound highly professional. For audio output, Apple managed to pack an incredible 6-speaker spatial audio system inside this razor-thin body. The sound quality is deep, loud, and surprisingly punchy, featuring strong bass and incredibly crisp highs. It supports Dolby Atmos, creating a wide soundstage that makes watching media highly immersive without needing to put on headphones. On the connectivity side, this laptop welcomes the era of Wi-Fi 7. If you've upgraded your home or office router, Wi-Fi 7 provides astronomical wireless speeds, dramatically lower latency, and highly stable connections even in congested network environments. For quick, secure access, Touch ID remains integrated into the top corner of the keyboard, letting you unlock your laptop, enter passwords, and authorize secure purchases with just a quick touch of your finger. Of course, all of these features don't mean much if the battery dies halfway through your workday. Fortunately, the efficiency of the M5 chip is mind-blowing. Apple rates this laptop up to 18 hours of battery life on a single charge. In practice, this means you can leave your charging brick at home when you head out for the day. You can work through a full flight, spend an entire day taking notes and lectures, or work from a local coffee shop without ever scanning the walls for an electrical outlet. Furthermore, because it is an inherently power-efficient MacBook Air, it utilizes a completely fanless design. The laptop stays perfectly silent no matter how hard you push the processor. You will never have to deal with the annoying loud fan noise that plagues traditional laptops, allowing you to focus entirely on your thoughts. Lastly, let us talk about the incredible long-term security value included with this specific Amazon bundle: 3 years of AppleCare Plus. Buying a premium laptop is a serious financial investment, and life happens. Accidental spills, sudden drops, or unexpected cosmetic damage can be incredibly stressful and expensive to fix out of pocket. Having AppleCare Plus bundled directly with your purchase gives you absolute peace of mind. It grants you global repair coverage, priority access to Apple experts, and unlimited repairs for accidental damage protection for 3 full years. It ensures that your laptop remains protected, operational, and valuable for years to come. To wrap things up, the 2026 15-inch M5 MacBook Air is an absolute triumph. It combines elite AI-ready performance, a glorious display, a thin form factor, and legendary battery life into one comprehensive package. Whether you're a student preparing for the future, a creative professional on the move, or an everyday user looking for a reliable machine that will easily last the next 5 to 7 years, this configuration hits all the right marks. Don't forget to check out the description below, where I've placed the official Amazon affiliate links so you can check current pricing, explore active deals, and read through other customer experiences. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Make sure to hit that like button if this video helped you out. Subscribe to stay updated with the latest tech reviews, and I will see you all in the very next video.